So what kind of ways are there that they can go take the data that they've stolen and trick people or blackmail people or whatever into getting money? What kind of threats are really out there?
Well, and that's an interesting point, because you're right. They could go after the individual that had their data compromised, and they probably know a lot about that individual. They know likely email address. They likely know some very confidential information. They of course know their phone number and their home address, and so they can start building a profile on each of these individuals to then go and extort money out of them. I noticed that the healthcare would be equivalent in the US as the healthcare secretary was tweeting and putting some things out on social media saying, hey, look, if you get a phone call saying you haven't paid your bill for this x-ray you just received, don't just hang up immediately, is what he said. And so he wants to make sure that there's caution out there, because these bad guys are now going to target those individuals that had their data compromised, and kind of a double whammy here. You get stung by your data is out there, and then you get stung because you're paying the hackers to for something that's not going to help you.